Next in line is the Pioneer Pro Sealants. Pioneer Pro ElastoSeal is a single component, ready-to-use, high-grade sealant which cures to form an elastic and weatherproof seal that lasts and works even on wet surfaces. It has a non-sag or non-flow feature, making it ideal for vertical or sloping surfaces. It has a strong adhesion to most construction materials and can withstand joint movements as well as extreme weather. The Pioneer Pro FlexoSeal is a Class A polyurethane sealant that has a very good adhesion to most construction materials. It cures into a flexible, durable, and weather-resistant sealant, making it a perfect complement to construction and expansion joints, precast panels, and most construction substrates. Pioneer Pro Multi-Filla is a paintable, non-shrinking, non-slump two-part epoxy that serves as an adhesive and filler in one. It is easily spreadable, has excellent adhesion to all common building substrates. It bonds and cures on damp surfaces and is water and chemical resistant. Multi-Filla is solvent-free and will not chip, crack, or peel. It is an excellent construction filler able to fill applications up to 1 inch thick.